Hey everyone, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our all-new bed light kit for the Kuat IBEX rack on this Toyota Tundra. Let's get started. Begin by inserting the T-nuts into the T-slot located on the underside of the IBEX rack, making sure they align properly with the openings. Then remove the lens off the rock light and take out the black grommet in the center. Next, install the rock light using the mounting bolt and the small washer from the hardware kit. Using a 4mm Allen key, tighten this in place. Reinstall the black grommet in the center. This kit includes both amber and clear lenses. For this installation, we'll be using the clear lens. Go ahead and reinstall it onto the light. It's important to note you can swap the lens at any time by removing the installed one and replacing it with your preferred color. Repeat these steps for all remaining lights. When it comes to wiring, it's important to note if your vehicle doesn't come with OEM bed lights that you'll need an alternative power source. We recommend our optional single-color rock light harness with an extra 5-meter extension. Use a trim removal tool to release the retaining tab on the factory bed light. Then apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the provided T-taps to help prevent corrosion. Attach the T-taps to the positive and negative wires connected to the OEM bed light. With the taps loosely positioned, use pliers to securely crimp them in place. Connect the black wire from the T-tap harness to the negative tap. For this install, you can choose to connect the high output red wire or the yellow wire for low output. We'll be using the low output yellow connection. Next, connect the splitter harness to the M8 connector on the T-tap harness. Then plug the 4 extension wires into the splitter and begin routing them through the bed and back up to the rack as shown here. With the wires ran to the rack, run 2 extensions along the driver's side and 2 along the passenger side using the rack's built-in channels. Connect each light as you go. It's important to note you can use any available channel on the rack. With the wiring in place, test all lights for proper functionality and reinstall the OEM bed light. Using scissors, cut the provided wire retaining strips into 1-inch sections and secure all loose wiring using the retainers and included zip ties, ensuring to avoid any hot or moving parts. And that's it. Your lights are installed, wired, and ready to light up the bed of your truck. With the bed lights on, you can see this kit adds a ton of output in the bed with the high output or low output mode. If you're looking to pick up a set of these or any of our other IBEX rack kits, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market from our team, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications. Thanks for watching.